Hi, I'm Dan Goerdt. I'm the president at Flexagon, and today's question is, does FlexDeploy integrate with Jenkins, or how does it really work with Jenkins? And there's really two sides of the story. So if we step back a little bit, there is a broader set of capabilities that we need to have as part of a DevOps platform. So build and continuous integration is one piece of that, and that's where Jenkins fits in. And that's where FlexDeploy has its own built-in build and continuous integration capabilities. So that's the first piece. The second piece is deployment automation, and the third is what we call release orchestration. And so when it comes to how does Jenkins fit into the mix, there's really a couple different ways to do that. On one hand, if customers have Jenkins, and if they want to integrate that and continue to use their investment in Jenkins, we have out-of-the-box integration capability. So we can tie in nice and seamlessly with Jenkins, and Jenkins can act and provide that continuous integration capability, that build capability, and then we can tie in the FlexDeploy deployment automation and release orchestration. So that's one model. A second model is if we want to use FlexDeploy for full build and continuous integration. So for example, some popular capabilities for examples of e-business suite from Oracle, or other middleware and database technologies from a variety of vendors. Maybe the customer does not have a CI tool, and so via configuration they can use FlexDeploy, integrate that build and optionally continuous integration into the process, and use that as well as deployment and release end-to-end from FlexDeploy. So you have a couple different options there, as well as using, for example, an external endpoint like Jenkins and drive FlexDeploy's deployment and release automation via REST APIs. So there's a mixed bag of options, and in any case, we're out there to both integrate with Jenkins and I'll say replace Jenkins to provide that build and continuous integration capabilities. Well, I hope that was helpful. Thanks for watching. And if you have any other questions or comments or suggested topics, please provide those as well.